Welcome to Compliance Cow. In this session, we will be covering application creation and curating application scopes. A quick reminder for those who forgot what applications and application scopes are. An application is a software endpoint from which Compliance Cow is able to extract necessary information and data. For more, refer to our nomenclature video. An application scope is a collection of applications. Click Application Catalog from the main menu. From here, you can create an application or view all existing applications. To create an application, you will need credentials for the applications from which you'd like Compliance Cow to retrieve evidence. Then enter your organization-specific platform URL and credentials. You can also add or manage annotations here. When your application is ready, hit Validate and Submit. Scroll down to view a library of existing applications. To access your application scopes, navigate to the top right of your assessment dashboard. Browse through your pre-existing scopes. If none of them fit the bill, you can always make another. Select the applications to include in your new scope. Click Add to the App Scope and you're done. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to your GRC team or your organization success team here at Compliance Cow.